Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by wiring the foundations. Inventory what must be monitored and why, because blind spots become incidents. Install a lightweight collector on a representative host. Configure it to scrape essential metrics like CPU, memory, disk I/O, latency, error rates. Once done, point the collector at your time series DB, Prometheus for example, so data lands reliably. Make sure to secure endpoints with tokens and TLS. That prevents spoofed metrics. This first step gets raw visibility. It sets the tempo for alerting and dashboards next. Now you wire the pipeline and enforce intent. Translate SLOs into concrete thresholds and alert rules, because alerts without targets are noise. Configure your processing layer to compute P50 and P95, error ratios, and rate deltas. Feed those into the alert manager with silence and escalation policies. Once configured, craft dashboards focused on baselines, request rate, latency percentiles, resource saturation, so you understand normal versus anomalous. Make sure to tag metrics and hosts. That enables targeted alerts and efficient treatment. Finish by hardening storage, retention, and runbooks. Decide retention like 15 days raw and 90 days downsampled to control costs yet preserve trends. Run end-to-end tests, inject load, kill services, verify alert routing and the runbook steps. This proves detection and response. Automate dashboard generation for new services and enforce metric naming conventions. If things go wrong, start with cardinality and scrape intervals. High cardinality or too frequent scrapes will overwhelm collectors and cause gaps, so reduce labels or increase interval immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.